Tedious recovery process for the tourism industry post-COVID-19. Tourism CS Najib Balala is optimistic that the sector may take 2 years, but sector analysts say it could take as long as 5 years. Balala says the country's revenue from the sector will reduce by more than 80 billion shillings in the 2020-2021 financial year. Joash Onsare tells us more.
The Ministry of Tourism launched the Magical Kenya Tourism Health and Safety Protocols in the New Normal campaign. The event was attended by Interior Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i, Health CS Mutahi Kagwe, and the US, UK, and German envoys.
It's now a reality that the virus could become endemic, and we must all be prepared to live with it and resume normalcy under the prevailing circumstances as global efforts to find vaccines continue.
Kenya lost 80 billion shillings in the 2019-2020 financial year, which translates to 50% revenue from the tourism sector. Tourism CS Najib Balala says it will take long for the sector to recover.
So we lost 80 billion in terms of revenue to government. And then in the next financial year, which is 2020-2021, we shall be lucky even to get 20% of that revenue into our economy. That's why we need to have the stimulus packages and stimulus initiatives so that we can fast track the revival of the industry and be able to get people in business and pay their taxes.
The stakeholders in the tourism sector have been urged to abide by the outlined procedures aimed at combating COVID-19, geared towards gradual opening of the economy.
All tourism and related businesses and service providers should embrace this participatory approach by subscribing, adhering to, and implementing the standard operating procedures.
Further, Najib Balala says the government will empower SMEs through investment since macro business have enjoyed in the past.
We have always talked about the macro economy. We have not talked about the micro economy where the SMEs are affected. So this time, yes, we are going to invest heavily in the SME sector.
On the other hand, the Chair Council of Governors Wycliffe Oparanya on his Twitter account says, I quote, after consultation with my colleagues, we advise His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta to gradually open the economy. Enforcement of measures and protocols aimed at combating COVID-19 pandemic should continue to be enforced during the process. Joash Onsare, TV47, Nairobi.